Okay, so we're gonna cold start this bike today. It's been sitting for several months, and as you can see, still is pretty cold, but warm enough to start it up and maybe even possibly ride it. Roads are bare. So this is the Rocket 3, and I have not started it up for, like I said, several months, so we'll see what happens. I haven't even put a battery tender on it. I just basically put it in the garage and let it sit. So this will be a good test to see what this thing is made of. And the temperatures, you know, they got down to close to zero several nights. And this shop here is just a hangar, so not insulated or anything. And we'll see. I haven't seen any leaks on this thing, nothing whatsoever. They say when you do start these bikes, leave them running for probably, you know, in my case, I'm going to run it for at least 30 minutes. And you want to get things nice and warm and hot and evaporate any moisture and get that guy going. So here we go, guys. Battery came on just fine. I'm actually going to switch off the key. Now the battery's warm. I'm just going to do that one more time here.